Is your Chrome browser always saving files in the wrong place? Maybe it's cluttering your Downloads folder, or you want everything to go straight to an external drive or project folder. Whatever the reason, you can easily change where Chrome saves your files. You just need to know where to look. Before we jump in, hit that like button and subscribe for more smart browser tips that save you time and frustration. Let's walk through it. Step 1. Open Chrome Settings. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings. On the left menu, click Downloads. You'll see your current download location there. Step 2. Change the location. Click Change next to the folder path. You can now choose any folder, your desktop, an external drive, a project folder, even your Cloud Sync folder like Dropbox or Google Drive. Bonus tip: toggle on Ask where to save each file before downloading if you want full control every time. Step 3. Test it. Try downloading a file and make sure it saves to the new folder. If you're using multiple profiles, don't forget, you'll need to update the setting for each profile separately. If this helped you organize your downloads, give it a like and subscribe for more quick Chrome tricks and productivity tips. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.